We are in Yamagata Prefecture, which is in the northern Tohoku region of Japan. And we are in a ryokan called Sakurayu Sanshuyu. And we are in the special room, Oyama Renge. So let's take a look. So this area is called Akayu for red hot water. There's a story behind it which I won't go into detail on. But it's in an area called Nanyo-shi or Nanyo City in Yamagata Prefecture. Anyway, so this is the top category room here at Sakurayu Sanshuyu, which is a hot springs ryokan. Pretty massive dedicated toilet room. And turning around, this is where we came from. Let's go and take a look at the main living quarters, of which there are 3, which is really cool. So you have the main area. It's Japanese style, but what's nice is that they have tatami mats, tatami floors, but you can see where it's cut down below, so you put your foot down, so you can sit Western style without having to cross your legs. It's nice for people with old bones like me, and you can have it heated down below. So, of course, this area is known for pretty harsh weather in the winter. Right, and then this is the secondary living room, Western style. Living room sofa. But before we go any further this way, let's turn back around. There's another room. Slide the door open. And this is the bedroom. Japanese style futon. What's really convenient about this is that a lot of ryokans with smaller rooms, you would use one room for both living and bedroom. So during dinner, they would roll out the futons like this. But what if you want to take a nap in the afternoon? You know what I'm saying? So this is, it's nice to have this. So this serves as a dedicated bedroom, which is convenient. This seems to be the world's smallest ryokan television. Anyway, so back to main living area, Western living area. Oh, one other thing. In here, you will be served all of your meals right here. You can have a nice, your own view of the yard. And turn around this way. So this is the wash basin, the shower, and the hot springs. This is a little closet. You can see here they have the yukata that you wear, as well as the belt. Dual sinks, which is really nice. The last 2 ryokans had only one, which can be a little bit of a hassle when you're trying to get ready in the morning, and both people are, you know, doing their thing. So this has that covered. This is where you bathe, or not bathe, shower, and wash yourself before getting into the open air outdoor onsen bath. Sliding this open. Look at that. So free flowing, natural onsen hot springs with complete privacy. So it looks like this room ticks off all the boxes, at least for us. So let's walk out a little bit here. Looks like it's it's not the most manicured garden, but it is a private one for this room. Wow, the sulfur smell is pretty strong here, which, you know, depends on your taste, but you can't, well, I guess you can fake sulfur smell, but anyway, so this is what it looks like. Plenty of room for at least 2, if not 3 or more people. Anyway, so this is Sakurayu Sanshuyu, which is in the Akayu area of Nanyo City in Yamagata Prefecture, which is in the Tohoku region of Japan. Oyama Renge room, 80 square meters of total indoor living space with a sleeping area, futon sleeping area, dining area, Japanese style dining area, and a separate living room, outdoor natural hot springs, open air onsen bath, meals served in the room, dual sinks. Looks like it's got it all covered, and the food's supposed to be good, so we'll find out how that is later on today. Hope you enjoyed.